G'day, my name's Matthew from PressPipe Systems. I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how the PressPipe system works, so just follow me. First of all, naturally you've got your pipe which you measure to length. Once you've measured it to length, use a cutting tool. This is just a rigid pipe cutter that will cut the tool. The reason we use a cutting tool like this is to keep the heat out of it, so if you use a grinder or something, it tends to heat the pipe up red and it can cause rusting in the future. So we use a more of a cool kind of cutting system, like a saw blade, like a high-speed steel saw, or in this case just a pipe cutter. So once you've cut your pipe to length, measured it and cut it to length, deburred it. We've just got one of these which goes on the inside and the outside. Get rid of the burr. The reason we get rid of the burr is because inside the coupling there's an O-ring, and when we push it in we don't want to cut the O-ring. So once we've deburred the tool, we push it in. Now this is a very critical part of the process, because you want to make sure that it's pushed right into the stop. Make pin your friend, okay? Put a mark on that, so if you're assembling a line and something and it starts pulling out, you can tell. So that mark there, though it be simple, it is very important. So once you've done your mark, I usually walk around with a fitting in my pocket of the size. This is 22mm, and just slide it over, mark it, and that way it keeps it nice and simple. So I just usually take the O-ring out, but make sure you know which one you've taken the O-ring out of. So once we've marked it, we've pushed it in, we go down to the tool. This is an eye-press tool. We take out the correct jaw, which is 22mm in this case. We grab the tool, just a matter of twisting, popping it out, ready to go. Alright, extend the jaws out, connect it in. Make sure when you pull the trigger you do a complete cycle. Don't stop halfway, otherwise it can your joint's not going to be as good quality. So pull the trigger and continue through the whole cycle. Once that's done, it'll release itself. There you go, your crimp's done. Check your mark. Your mark's nice and snug to the shoulder, and there you have your total crimped PressPipe system. Done.